Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up council tax in a new home in the UK. If you are an adult and not in full-time education or not exempt due to other reliefs, you are required to pay council tax. Council tax is a local tax paid to the council responsible for the area where you live. When you move into a new home, the first step is to contact your local council. They will register you for council tax and send you a bill with details on how and when to make payments. This ensures that your payments start promptly and you avoid any penalties. If you move to a property in a new area, you must inform the council for that area. They will update your records and ensure that your council tax account reflects your new address. Some properties may not yet have a council tax pen. In such cases, you need to contact your local council directly. The council will arrange for your property to be assessed and assigned the appropriate council tax pen. To find your local council, you can use the postcode finder on the official Gov.uk website. Enter your postcode and it will direct you to your council's contact details and online services, making it easier to set up your council tax account in your new home. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.